What's up, guys? It's Adam here. This is a 2014 Stolen Casino. I have just traded my Mongoose Mid 540 for it.
Don't sit on that bucket. Don't sit on that bucket.
You got paint on. And your butt.
Okay, so I guess I got paint all over my butt. If Zach over here wants to stop being a fucking bitch. This has the Mission X7 rims.
Who gave me that bike, Adam?
Zach Turner over this here. This big giant Oompa Loompa.
Subscribe to me.
Yeah,
Zach
subscribe to
Turner.
him.
Zach Turner.
It has the ODI grips. Soft, what are these called? I forget.
ODI Super Soft.
Super soft, yeah, that's the word. Super soft grips in aqua blue, same ones I have on my We the People. I have the stock ODI, the ODI bar ends. I have a aqua blue, and the lights just went out. Maybe because of this Fahorjit. I have the aqua blue KMC train, and the blue camo Odyssey pedals, twisted PC. I have the stock brake lever off the Mongoose Mid 540, and that's all that I've got done to the bike.
Who did all that work?
This bike was originally owned by Zach Turner. Yeah, enjoy the rest of the other random shit that happens.